Om Namah Shivaya. We shall now listen to the continuation of the discourse where the Siva Shakti united by MahaPeriyava from the book Voice of God, Volume 1. From the form of Ardhanarishwara, we separate each part of Parvati, Parameshwara and divide them. He has the names Madhurubahan, one who has lady as one part, Umayurubagan, one who has Uma as one part. She has the name Bhagam Priya. Even then, it is possible to distinguish between his eye and her eye, his ear and her ear, etc. It is also possible to divide and say that this part is his and that part is hers. When two personalities are presented in this manner, there arises the confusion of comparison. We think, is there not a place in them which cannot be divided and seen separately, and start searching for it? What is that which cannot be divided? It is the atom that stops us saying this far and no more. It is by dividing that which cannot be divided, lot of evils have been brought about. By doing this mischief, both sides are aware that irrespective of one side or the opposite side, everything will get destroyed. Yet they go on doing this to create this scare. Will it happen like that? Let that be. If something of the size of an atom is in the form of Ardhanarishwara, the problem is solved. We can bring it to the mind because no division can be made that this is his and this is hers. It will belong to both of them. There will be no scope for such false as comparison, one being left out and causing offense to the other. If something of the size of an atom is there in the middle of the two, it is enough. We search for such a thing in the hope that without any confusion we can hold on to it and obtain the grace of the mother-father combination. It is here that the poet comes to help us. In the middle of the heart, which is in the middle of the body, there does reside an atom. We cannot even call it an atom. We can see the atom at least with a powerful microscope. Immediately, at least mentally, we can make a division of it into two sides. But no subtle glass can show this atom, which is in the middle of the heart. But if it is not there, man cannot think. He will have no feeling. What is this? It is what we call the mind. Can any X-ray show it? Not only Ardhanarishwara, whichever Murti it may be, it has such a thing as mind. To meditate on that has some speciality. Meditation on the form is very, very good. Although in the early stages it is considered necessary too, our mind does not remain concentrated on this without wandering here and there. It does keep shaking. If it is a form of Parameshwara, there is the Jata, long hair, the Ganga, the moon, the eye on the forehead, the Neelakantam. Thus, the thought wavers without knowing on what to concentrate. If we consider Paramatma's mind, it is one. In our minds, there are millions and millions of thoughts. Out of these, 3/4 will be faulty. Will the mind of Ardhanarishwara, who is both mother and father, be like this? In that, what else can there be except one thought, namely extreme compassion? It is an atom-sized mind full of mercy. The poet says, take hold of it. It is Kumaraswamy who takes us and makes us remain there, the lovable child who came out of the union of Siva Shakti. Om Namah Shivaya. In the next post, we shall see MahaPeriyava speak about the son who excelled the father. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Shankara, Jai Jai Shankara, Kanchi Shankara, Kamakoti Shankara.